The heartbeat of a blue whale can be detected from a distance of more than 2 miles. On average, blue whales weigh around 130,000 to 150,000 kilograms, and their hearts weigh approximately 180 kilograms. Japan is home to one of the most advanced and efficient railway systems in the world. The Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train, connects major cities with speeds reaching up to 320 kilometers per hour, 200 miles per hour. The human brain is incredibly powerful. It has about 86 billion neurons, which are specialized cells responsible for transmitting information. The brain is responsible for our thoughts, emotions, memories, and controlling our body's functions.